Weather Service in thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeast New York, southeastern Union County in northeast New Jersey, Manhattan in southeast New York.
Because of that storm over there.
County in northeast New Jersey, Staten Island in southeast New York, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Brooklyn in southeast New York. 38 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Elizabeth and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Port Richmond, Bayonne, Jersey City, Hoboken, Tot Hill, Soho, Tompkinsville, Battery Park, Oakwood, Lower East Side, Jersey Narrows Bridge, Brooklyn Heights, Park Slope, Ridge, Bensonhurst, Crown Heights, Flatbush, Coney Island, Sheep's Head Bay, Canarsie, Howard Beach, and Rockaway Beach. This is a dangerous storm.
There's the anvil right there, guys, from the storm right there.
Damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. in the following counties: in New Jersey, Essex, and Hudson, and the following counties: in New York, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island.